Hi guys, how you doing? Hope you're well. So today I'll be getting ready. I'll be doing my makeup. Guys, today is the first time I'll be getting ready. Like today is the first day I'll be doing my own makeup. Guys, since I got into the UK, I've not been able to touch my face. I've not been able to do my makeup. I've not been able to get dressed or get ready. You all know how I do it. You all know how I play time to time, do my face, get ready. Guys, I've not been able to do none of that since I got here. Guys, it's been hectic. It's been busy. So today being a special day, today is my wedding anniversary. So I just decided that okay, today I need to look good. I need to dress up. I need to get ready. So yeah, let's get right into it. Get ready with me for hydration. Couple more. So moving on, I'll be going into my Embryollise moisturizer. It's all in one. It's multifunctions. You can use it to hydrate, to moisturize. Embryollise. Moving on, I will be using my Glow Recipe. So moving on guys, I'll be using my L'Oreal True Match Foundation in W9.5. Guys, this is my favorite foundation, like my favorite one. Moving on guys, I'll be using my Huda Beauty concealer, peanut butter, while I'll leave that to get dry a bit. I'll be going into my contour. I'll be using the Revlon. Yes, I'll be using my Revlon color Stay Waterproof in 620 Java, and I'll be blending my contour with my blending brush. So after blending my contour, I'll be going into my beauty blender to blend out my under eye highlight. Lightly, not too hard and not too harsh, just lightly. The next thing I will be doing is set my contour and set my highlight as well. So to set my face, I'll be going in with my Morphe. You can get your powder palette there at Unique Beauty Essentials. So I will be tapping my powder right into my under eye using a light, very light press, not too harsh. Now I'll be doing the same thing on the other side. And after that, after setting my highlight, I'll be going right into my into a dark shade just to set my contour. I'm just trying to pronounce my contour for the last time. This is what it looks like. So you can get this palette, this blush palette from Unique Beauty Essentials on Instagram. So I'll be using these two shades, applying my blush right on top of my contour, on top. I'm in love with this blush palette. It comes with varieties. As you can see, it has lovely shades. It has lovely shades. And copy us from Unique Beauty Essentials _ on Instagram. Using my brow tamer to prep my natural brows, to set them in place. Just trying to get my natural brows ready. While I leave that to dry, I'll be moving on into the next step. Dry technique to contour my nose. Moving on, I'll be using my powder brush to pat into my natural brows just to give it a matte look, so I can get my brows done, just to outline my brow shape. So to pronounce my brow, using the Unique Beauty Pro brow pencil in dark brown. It comes with a spoolie. Now you can just use to brush your strands to get your strands in place. So rolling a little bit up, and just use it to pronounce my brows a little bit more. So moving on, I'll be highlighting my brows in the Embryollise flat brush. So after achieving a precise brows, I'll be moving on to set my whole face with my Studio Fix MAC powder in NW45. Going into my Huda Beauty setting powder in Kunafa to bake my under eye. The excess off. You want to be gentle with your under eye and just tap a little bit. So after setting my under eye, I'll be going into my eyeshadow primer. So I'll be going into a dark shade for my transition color. So after applying my transition shade, I'll be going into my Frank B eyeshadow palette using something subtle. Your main eyeshadow into your transition shade lightly. We don't want to see where our transition shade is starting or where our main eyeshadow is starting. We have to blend into each other. So moving on, I'll be using my mascara to pronounce my natural lashes, both top and bottom lashes. So moving on, I'll be using my MAC eyeliner. I'll be doing a wing liner. I'll be using my Inglot eyeliner gel for my wing liner. So after lining, I'll be moving on to lashes. You can get your lash tray from Unique Beauty Essentials _ on Instagram. Going back into my mascara just to pronounce my under eye one more time. Also my powder brush just to So after blending my whole face, I'll be going into my Cosmetics Glazed Dew Highlighting Balm. That's it. Other side. So moving on, I'll be using my MAC lip pencil in Chestnut just to outline my lips. To set my face, I'll be using my hairbrush Pallet setting spray. Party all night, stay all day setting spray. This smells good. Smells like wine. Guys, I'll be right back. Hi guys, so that's it. I added my Fenty Beauty gloss lipper out the camera, as you can see. So this is the final look and I hope you like it. How do I look? So that will be all for this video, guys, and I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye. Did you finish your food? Show me. Did you not show me?